Meteorologist Margot Altschuler. Rain has officially arrived here in East Tennessee, and we are seeing some heavier spots with this system moving on through. Taking a zoomed in look, we are seeing some heavier rain near Oak Ridge, as well as Solway, Edgemore, Oliver Springs, and close to ORNL. Another area seeing some heavier rain is closer towards Paint Rock, Dogwood Shores, Dogwood, Cave Creek, closer towards Prospect, along I-75 there, closer towards Cook Mill as well. And one last stop for us on our radar here. We're seeing some pretty heavy showers in southeast Kentucky and the far northern half of our viewing area. Seeing some heavier showers near Foster Crossroads, closer towards Oz, McCreary Academy, Pine Knot, and even Whitley City Elementary School. Now, most of this rain should move out here in the next couple of hours, but we're definitely already seeing some effects here in Knoxville, even though the rain hasn't officially arrived in the downtown area just yet. Look from our Sky 6 Embassy Suites camera. You can see the camera ever so slightly shaking there, and that's because winds are really starting to pick up. And speaking of winds, we still have a wind advisory in place for the higher elevations of the Smokies, highlighted in blue here. This is because gusts could get up to 50 miles an hour, so just be aware of that. That lasts until 4 a.m. For our Monday. Gusts so far, we've picked up about 26-mile-an-hour gusts here in downtown Knoxville, 28-mile-an-hour gusts in Maryville, 30-mile-an-hour gusts in Maynardville, and 25-mile-an-hour gusts in Dandridge. So those winds are pretty quick out there. Just be aware of that if you're planning to drive anywhere anytime soon. Temperature-wise, we're still sitting on the warm end for this time of year. We're sitting at 68 here in Knoxville, 65 in Maynardville, 68 in Maryville, 70 in Athens, 67 in Tellico Plains, and 62 in Wartburg. Now, speaking of the rain, most of us are probably wondering, when is this going to move out? Well, look at our 6 predictor. This line is going to continue to trek east, and by the time we reach around midnight, most of this should be exiting east, and we should be left with just overcast skies and possibly some ponding on the roadways when most of us are making that morning commute for our Monday. So just be aware of that when you're heading out the door to go to work and school. Overall totals quite impressive. We're looking at close to an inch, maybe even greater for some areas, especially here in the Southern Valley near Tellico Plains, Athens, even Loudon, and that's really going to help in the long run. Now, our rain chances are not done yet. By the time we reach Tuesday and Tuesday night, another round is expected. Now, this not as impressive as what we're seeing right now. Most of the rain is really going to occur north of 40, especially in southeast Kentucky and the northern half of our viewing area, and this happens late Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning. But all this rain is going to do some good. This is going to help us get out of our drought. This is our drought monitor. It updates every Thursday, and we saw some improvement, especially in the Southern Valley where we saw severe drought. Now we're seeing that moderate drought, so all of this rain is really going to help. Again, tomorrow we will be drying out pretty quickly. Dry by the time most of us are heading to work and school. Another chance, especially north on Tuesday, for some rain. Clouds thin out on Wednesday. We're back closer to average. And then we're gradually warming up as we head on into the rest of the week. Eventually, we will be hitting possibly the upper 70s next Sunday. Definitely screaming summer more than spring, but we'll take it, especially after what we dealt with these past couple of weeks where temperatures fluctuated between winter and spring.
We've got those high temperatures, and we've also got that